this video, we are going to learn how to create a simple landing page for e-commerce. And here, these are the some pages where you can see these pages and look how responsiveness and the other things and the images and lot of other things we have added in this one. And when we click on the buttons, it should be reloaded to the top of the page. And here header, footer, and many more things we have added. And for a beginner, these are the basics useful, and this will be help for them to grow for the advanced level. So we will start this coding. Based on this one, we will be coding that this one. And this images you can take from anywhere. We can take from Google or somewhere else. So here we will start that coding of that landing page. We have applied this one, and then we need to go to the Google Fonts. There, take any one of the font whichever you have needed. I will take Poppins, then copy the code, then come back to the browser, and here paste next to the title. And then next, after this one, first we will start with the header of the tag. Header, in this header we are having one div, and then we are having one nav inside that. In this one we will add ul and then li. In that we will add some of the products and many more things. So based on one plus landing page, we are inspired to make that one. Products, the same thing for airline. Instead of this one, we will write inside the anchor tag, so it will be little bit helpful, and it will be auto triggering. There is a one useful case for this one that I will tell you. And then features, li, and again anchor tag, reviews. Use the same thing for everywhere so that it will be not confusing for you. And then again li, anchor tag. In this one we need store, and here use hashtag, so it will automatically navigate. There is a one useful case with the anchor tag. By default it is a browser suggested. It will automatically reload the page, or it will be redirected to the that id support. Then here also we will add that support. Okay, we will save this one. And inside this one, I have took some of the images, dummy images for that mobile. You can copy some from somewhere else, like Google, or you can take some of the websites are there for this one. And then after this one, uh, we will add one another thing after this. Evil, another nav we will add, not another evil now. Okay, then we will add another one just to buy the product, just like a cart, you can say. Now I will add classes to this one, so we can add the classes to this class. Main container class container space header slash content. So I'm writing this useful name so that we should remember, and also work with that efficiently. And also we will learn about the bootstrap in the upcoming videos. Okay, I'll leave this one, and apart from this one we will add one header tag so that it will look nice. Inside this header we will write on plus, and we will add on class also here, or logo. And then next to what we need to add here in the sense, and we will make this one outside with the nav. And then main container, uh, logo container header, it will be outside. Okay, then we need to have another one. So main container we should add to this one, so it will be not neglected. And then uh, this this we should give to the this one, and then for now we will give one separate class name as just nav, and for revel it is we must give a nav links, something like that, nav links. Okay, for the anchor tag it's fine because we can take directly, and for this head this both will become same. Container main header we will add here. Okay. Then we have completed the header part. We will go to the this page and check how it looks. Okay, here it is just like a li, and we will continue it faster. And after this header we will go to the main. Inside the main we will take one section. Inside this section we will add classes directly now only. Class main is to main only direct, and then class is to we will take it as a hero section. Hero section in the sense the main part of the landing page is known as hero section current. And the class is to container for reusable. Inside this one we will add one another div, so it will be not look so jumbled. Hero text, and then we will add that content one plus. Okay, one plus 2L as a heading, and then Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and then we will add some more things extra like AMOLED display 120 hertz, something like this we will add. And then we will add one super power charging, super VOOC charging. Okay, then we will add that anchor tag after this paragraph. So for the buying purpose, mm, hashtag is to buy, we will add that same class name, and then buy. Okay, we will add some extra classes, so we will make it is a little bit more prettier. I will add on common class name like BTN primary. Okay, after that BTN primary. In this one, I will add as explore more. Now explore more. Then we need to add the images after not inside the same div, inside the another div. Okay, uh, inside this one class is to hero image, and then I will take one of the image from here. Now the same thing, whatever this section is there now, copy the same section and paste just downside of that one and format with the prettier. Okay, save this one. Then we will go to the CSS part. Now we will link the CSS link dot slash style dot CSS. Okay, now in the CSS, now it is the one of the main thing we need to learn here. From starting we need to add the universal things like dot star, margin is to 0, padding is to 0, and then box sizing is to border box. Okay, then we will go to the body. Here the font family we are already added, so I will not add again and again. Font, and then we will add background color is to something /f as a white F7. Okay, then color is to hash triple one, and then line height, so that it will be maintained automatically, or else we can also give the line height. And then first we will go to that container, because we have given that container as a common name. Width is to 90%, and then max width is to 1200 pixel, so that if somewhere the screen get expand, then it should handle the automatic things. And now we will go to the header part. What the name we have given? Main header. Okay, then main header. In the main header we will give the background as hash triple zero, and then padding top 20 pixel, top bottom, and left right 0. Okay, then color is to triple F. Position is sticky for the header one. Sticky, then top 0. Z index is to 1000. Now we will check how it's looking. Okay, now it's looking little bit good, but not 100%. We will the images height are too much more. We should handle that one. Okay, and then main header we have added. Next, main header. Header content is there. For the header content, we will add now in this one display flex. Display flex justify content space between, and then align item center. Based on this one only, we will make it as a good, prettier, and responsiveness. First, we will make for the big screen, then we will make as a media queries, and then other things. And I will add the font family, font sizes to 1.8 rem or em. Font weight is to 800. If you practice like this, then automatically you will be getting to know how to make a responsiveness landing pages and many more things. Because in the industrial work, you will be having lot of things there. You need to learn many things. These are the basic things you should learn. Then display flex. Inside this display flex, list style type none. Then gap is to 25 pixel. Okay, we will check how it's looking. Now it's looking a little bit prettier. Okay, now we should add some more things in that one, like navbar links a. Color is to triple F, and then text decoration none, then font weight 500, and then we will add some more things. No, it's fine. And then what we have nav links lia anchor, and then by btn. And then here I will add one class for this one, so I will add some more things for this one. By uh, yeah, okay, btn, by btn. Then we will go to again this one, and add some more things for this one button. mm, by btn. Okay, where background color is to red, padding is to 25 pixel. mm, okay, I will add up and down 10 pixel, 20 pixel. It's fine, we will see it later. Border radius is to 4 pixel or 6 pixel, or how much you want you can add. And then color is to triple F white. Then text decoration is to none, and then text decoration is to none. And then font weight font weight it 600 or 500. How much you wanted to add, you can add that one. And then after this one, uh, uh, okay, this much is enough. uh, Now we can make it as a little bit more prettier, and we will check here. Now a button has been added, and if we click, you can see just now a page has been reloaded. See here, it is changing here. Like this we will work. And then mm, we will go for the next what we have added here. For this one, main hero container, hero text. Okay, we will go for this main section. Not main. In this main, width we will give as 100%. And then display flex, align item center, align item center. Okay, then justify content to space between, or space and only can add. And then background is to F0. Okay, uh, then we are having one hero section also. We will add that hero. In this hero section, we will take a width as a 50%. And then display flex wrap, wrap, okay, wrap, and align items is to center. Then padding is to 80 pixel from bottom or 100 pixel. Okay, now it's okay, it's fine. Now we will make the a little bit compress the size and make it change. And I will take one another image from this here and add this one. Now both are different here. Okay, now we will go back to the again here, and we will add some more styling. After hero section, we will add hero text, hero text, flex, flex is to 1, hero, hero text is to flex 1. I will add this flex 1. Then padding is to padding right. Okay, I will add only direct right. 15 to 20 pixel you can add. And then hero text. Uh, Now we will add hero text h2. Hero text h2. In this h2, we will add font size. Font size is to 3 rem. Okay, that's fine. And then margin bottom. Also, I will add as a 15 pixel or 15 or 16 pixel. Okay. Then uh, there is one paragraphs also. Header text p. For this, we will add that font size. Okay. Font size is to 1.2 rem. Okay. Then it will be fine. And here we will add margin bottom. Here also we will add margin bottom is to 25 pixel. I think it's fine. Color is to hash triple three. Okay, now we will go to the browser and check. Here it is looking a little bit more prettier. Now here we will add one another button like this one. How buy is there, like that I will add. And I will move this one little bit inside. And then after paragraph, we will add that image, hero image, hero image. I will directly add this one. Width is to 100%. Margin top is to 20%. And then max width is to 400 pixel. And then border radius is to 8 pixel. Mm, Now it's the height of this one is currently good, and you can see that sticky header is also working properly. If I scroll also, then also it is been there already. Now we will add more reviews and many things. And here, what we are having here next, here buttons like btn primary is there here, and here also btn primary is there. And for this one, we will add another class now. Display inline block, and then padding is to 12 pixel, and then 24 pixel, 25 pixel, and then border radius of 5 to 6 pixel, and then font weight is to bold, and then text decoration is to none. Transition background to 0.3 seconds. Okay, now I will check. Now it is little bit fine. And for this one, I will add some more, like primary button is there, like that I will add the secondary also there. Later it is we are using that one. Color is to triple F. Here I will add secondary also. It will be helpful later. btn uh, btn no. Okay, first we need to give comma and dot btn secondary. uh, then I will take this one over. In this over is to background color is to in some creamish red I will take, or else I will add some other color. Okay, on hover it is currently not affecting. It's fine. Now we will add some more CSS for this one, and we will look for the HTML content, and we will add some more things. And then okay, now we will add some HTML content. In this one, we will be having some more sections like review section and many more things. In this one, we will add main. After this main, we will go with the another separate section. In this section, I will give it as a features. Small f I will give for this, and then ID as capital features, because whatever we have given inside this one, the same thing we need to give here. In this section, I will add div for the outside one. Then I will add on h2 tag as a hey, one plus or something. I will add y choose one plus. Okay, then here I will add some classes for this one. I will add container same, and for this h2 I will add section title or something. Section title. Okay, then after this inside this div only I will add some subdivs. For this one, class features grid. This is the inside this one tiles will be there. In this one feature div cards I will add here as a class is to features card. Okay, in this one we will add h3 is to blazing performance. Okay, then powered by Snapdragon. Okay, 8 Gen 2 for ultra fast. This multitasking. Okay, this is fine, I think so. And I will copy the same thing, this duo, card duo, and I will paste inside that time 2 times. And I will paste another 4 times. Okay, you can add whatever the content we want, and I will keep little bit small changes. I will make it. I will make it as a charging, and then for this one experience, you can change this paragraph content to some other content, and I will check here. Now it's looking a little bit okay. And if I click on these features, see it has been automatically it has been redirected to me to this particular div. This will happen because of this anchor tag, where we have used this anchor tag and use that ID here for the same thing. Then automatically it will be triggered. This is the default behavior from the browser. And now always remember that whenever you make the class or tags, make sure that it should be closing tag. Now I will add some other content like products is there, features is there. Now I will add a review also. Then I will add all the CSS at the same time. I will add on space and then another section for the review purpose, and I will add class as a review and make it as a small and ID as a capital reviews. Okay, then inside this one I will make it on parent container as it container class name. If you use a bootstrap, then it will be automatic lot of things they will provide. So in the next video I will try to make a bootstrap video, separate video for tutorials we can say, so that we can learn easily. In that I will add on h2 tag. I will add the same class name, so it will be helpful for us. Class is to section title. In this one, what users say or suggest, you can also take that one also. In this one we will use I will try to use grid. I will see data. Class is to reviews. And then here inside this one, cards I will make. Class is to reviews grid, and then paragraph I will add on OnePlus and then LoRaM, but doesn't need this much content. I will remove this particular line. Instead of this one, you can add some another content like OnePlus users comments, whatever you want you can add here. And then I will add one H4 or H3 in this one. I will add some random names, Akash, Mitri, or something like the same thing. I will copy this one and paste again. Okay, you can change it little content, whatever the content you want you can change here. And I will change this name to um, Santosh, and this one is to Dinesh. I'm taking the some random names, and then these are the content I have added. After this one, we will make text is store. So I will add this store also. Then later we will continuously add the CSS for this one. After this section, we will make one another section. In this one, class is to store, ID is to store. Okay, For this one main class container, try to use always as a one common class, and by that it will be helpful for you to reuse that one. Section title in this one, we need to add available store or mobile, available mobile in this one. Okay, then I will add one outer div, and then product grid. In this one, I will add on another div, because we'll make that images in a one way. Product, product card or products card, whatever you want, you can take. But always remember, whatever the class you are giving here, the same class name should be present inside the CSS file. So I'm taking these images and paste there. So this one image I have pasted, and then I will add one h4 as its price tag, 1 plus 12. This is the 1 plus 12. Then paragraph tag, dollar sign for $100, or how much you want you can add. I'm just adding the some random. Then button, not, I will add anchor tag here. Here add class is to btn primary. Oh, no, here secondary I will add secondary view. Okay, and uh, and for this one again, we will copy paste the same thing 3 times, and instead of that image I will take these images, because all image we can add, but different images will look good little bit. Format fit prettier. Oh, it's okay, but these images are taking too much size. We will reduce it later. Now I will add the CSS after the store. uh, Next we are having support, that is a part of footer, that also I will add in this one. Okay, now we will see the code, what are the changes we need to make. Okay, later we will check that one. Now another section, and in this section class is to container, not container, that inside the div we will add con contact us or cts, cta you can say. Then id is to that support whatever you have given this support, because it automatically it will be redirecting to this one page. Then class is to, okay, container, and h2 is to need support h2. And then paragraph as a lorem I will add, because I'm have doesn't have any lot of content. I will remove this line because it will be more line. And then after the paragraph we will add some more sections. Okay, for footer also, for footer I will add direct footer instead of section. Footer, and here class is to footer id, here id is also footer. Then div is to class container, and then I will add one another div inside this one. as a footer links or something. I will add as a class footer links. And then what we are having, I will use anchor tag as a privacy policy. Anchor tag, terms and conditions, terms for your, you can say. Okay, then anchor tag, another anchor tag, return policy. And careers. Okay, now it's been like this. Now we will add some stylish and many more things. And here I will add on another lorem. Then we will go to this one. And here we have added the primary footer, hover, and many more things. Now we will add the primary button and the secondary button here. Then BTN secondary. Okay, BTN secondary, I will add as hover. This hover I will add as a background, as a hash 333. And then dot features. In these features we will add padding, side and down, 60 pixel. And then background features. Okay, background colors I will add. Background is to F333. And then section title, that h2 was there now. For that one we are adding text line to center. And then font size is to 2 rem. That's enough, I think. Margin bottom is to 40 pixel. Okay, then we will be adding that grid here. Where is that features? Okay, here features grid. Okay, then we'll adding that features grid. Feature grid, their display is to grid template. Where is that template? Okay, grid template columns is to repeat, auto fit, auto fit. Then min min max of 250 pixel. Then 1 fr, I think that's enough. And we have placed 30 pixel. Now we will see. Okay, the heights of this one is currently not good. Feature grid also okay. For cards we will add now features card, background color is to aqua, rear padding is to 20 pixel. And then border radius is to 8 pixel. And then text align is to center. Okay, box shadow 00 10 pixel, RGBA of 0. This one is also 0 uh, and 0.05. Then, so here we have made a mistake as I added this S. So I will remove this S because that will be same here. And whatever the classes name I added, that is the same. Now we can see it is little bit more good. And here, this color of this is too much dark. I will make it a little bit light or something. I will add on hash code for this one. That will be more easier. And then here the thing is, whenever we are going to add the things, we should always add a, okay. Now we are going to add that color, hash color, in here for A, B9, B6, or something else. Now I will check. That is a little bit good. Okay. Now we will go to the review section. Where padding is to 60 pixel and then 0. Where background is to hash code F0 and then review reviews is to grid. Reviews grid and then here grid column I will add here this column, copy this one, and instead of 250 I will make it as 280. Okay, now you can see these three are being placed at a particular thing. Now we should adjust that images also. And then uh, review cards, border radius 6 pixel, box shadow I will add the previous one. Okay, then we will go to the next things like card, and review card is there also. Review grid. Okay, this one I will make it as a review card, not as a grid. Okay, then I will add that same thing here, review card, where background color is to triple F, and then padding is to 25, border radius is to 8 pixel, and then box shadow is to I will add that same thing here. You can use, instead of this one, you can use the uh, root also for this review card. H4 margin top as a 10 pixel, and then color is to red. Okay, I think no, this is fine. I should add a little bit more padding in between them. Here add margin of 10 pixel. Now it's fine. Then we will check about this model. Store is that, and then Now we will add this store one. We are padding is to 60 pixel and then 0, and background is to triple F, and then store grid is to, okay, here I have added the product grid. I will copy this one, and the product grid, inside this product grid I will use the same thing here whatever I have added previously, and the size of this one is little bit, I will make it as less, 240 or 250, and then gap of 30 pixel. Dot product card, background color is to that F9 I will add, and then padding is to 15 pixel, border radius is to 8 pixel, and then text align to center. Now it's little bit okay. I will add the image height also, then it will be automatically properly. Then dot product card image, width is to 100%, and then height is to auto, margin top, okay, margin bottom I will add pixel, then border radius of 8 pixel. Okay, instead of auto I will give it as a 300 pixel. Image product card, okay, it is capital and this is the small, because of that it is been not working properly. Okay, then here instead of this one I will make it is auto, and check 1 second. And here actually I have made small changes in this one. Now whatever the class names are there, that was been changed, and here some capital and small letter changes are there that I have made. And now that whatever the image CSS have added, that is the same thing, and we will go to this one, and then now we can see it is little bit good. And we need to add some more CSS classes for this one footer, that I will adding now. Okay, and then for this one class name is the contact CTA. Okay, instead now I will copy paste this one, so it will be now align is to center, and then padding is to 60 pixel or 65 pixel, that's fine. And then color is to red, sorry, color the text color should be white for that triple F, and then background color is to red. Okay, then CTA, in this one CTA is to E, paragraph we need to check that one, where margin is to 15 pixel, and then 0. It's little bit good. And here footer, we will add that footer also now, and background is to hash triple zero, where color is to CCC, and then padding of 30 pixel and 0. Okay, and then text align is to center. Then here we are having footer links, that I will copy. This one margin bottom 15 pixel, and then we will add some other things. I will check here first. Okay, now it will be align center. Text decoration we need to remove here from this one. Footer links. Then here margin of 0 and 10 pixel. Okay, it's okay now. And then we need to add text decoration is to none. You can see this one, and the both colors are been same here. I will change this one color. Background CTA. Okay, the color whatever you want you can add, and I will add the media query and that media of max width of 750 or 768 pixel. This is the standard size of the this one for responsiveness. Header content is to flex direction column, and then align items to flex start. Okay, and then we are having on that hero section also. For that hero section, flex direction is also column. Then hero text is to padding 0, 0, 30 pixel, and then 0. Okay, now everything is done. You can see, and here I will add that class. That class has been removed, I think so. Okay, here the thing I will add on another class as a uh, top container. Add that class as display flex. Okay, that is outside of this part. Okay, then I will add this direct to this hero part. Control F, hero. Okay, then I have made a slight changes, and I will remove this flex ref because of this one that is not aligning properly. Now we can see 12 and 12 Pro. I will add like that, 1 plus 12, and this is the 12 and 12 Pro. Okay, now 12 and 12 Pro, and I will remove this width of this one. Okay, flex, that's fine, and I will make it as a margin left if 10 pixel. Little bit I will add more. Now it's fine. Okay, you can see this landing page now. It is properly aligned, and for this one code also I will show you. You can see this code, and I have added header, and then the main section, the header section, you can say. Inside that one content, whatever the content you want, you can add. And then second section is for the reviews or the features, we can say. Third section is the reviews. In this review, we have added paragraph tags and many more things. And then another section is a store. In the store, what are the current mobiles are available, that I have added. And you can see this one, the prices also I have added. And then footer section also I have added. Then we are having style. Okay, basics. These are the things that we should use. This one, these are the compulsory, we can say. And then line by line I have added the many more things. You can see the code of the CSS one. And then try to make this. And these are the basic landing page you should learn as a beginner, because these are the there you will be learning many things like display flex, grid, and some other content. But what these use cases, the day by day you learn, that will be helpful for in the future. As you go for the some of the company, there you will get as a front end developer. Then it will be too much easy for you to develop the things. So here, hover after every, that we will be using less, but hover is one of the thing that we will be using more. And I've added the colors and other things as a hash code. What how you want, you can add, like RGBA also you can add. And then grid template, you can see this one. I haven't added much things as a grid, but these are the basic grid you should know. And then here CTA and the contact things, and I have mentioned here so that it will be not confusing for you. And the footer things. Then responsiveness, here the responsiveness, how it will be working, I will show you. You should click on this one, right click, and then inspect. And when you click on this one responsive, and after this one, when you click on this one dimension things, iPhone SE or something, you will be taking the things. You can see these cards, how prettyly it has been aligned. And this, what are the contents are, the reviews are there, and the features, this images and many more things. If I click also, I'm hovering on this one, I don't click on this one, you can see this one. And uh, the names, what are the things that we have added, everything is inside a column. And if you click, automatically to be redirected to the top of the browser. It is a default, it is a default of anchor tag, we can say. So terms and condition, all the things. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe the channel.